Hey guys, today we are taking a look at a beautiful home in the Strawberry Park neighborhood. This is one of my favorite top neighborhoods in San Jose. Really quick commuting, and then there's also lots of shopping nearby. Let's go ahead and take a look. This beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath was completely remodeled back in 2020, and it is now 2,051 square feet with a bunch of smart features. Being in Silicon Valley, they had to put them in, right? I'm talking about lights that can change color, automatic sprinkler system, a garage door that you can open anywhere in the world as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi. They made this into a truly smart home. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So as soon as we step into the main home, we are met with this enormous open concept for both the gourmet kitchen, dining area, and then entertaining space. And for the gourmet kitchen, we have this nice island with quartz countertops and quartz backsplash. You have stainless steel appliances like this LG fridge right here. You can check to see the water. It is just a really nice kitchen. They did all of the upgrades, and then like I was saying with the lights, you can actually see inside of the cabinets because they have lighting even underneath the island. But I want you guys to go ahead and take a look at this entertaining space because there's this beautiful, luxurious electric fireplace that just takes up almost the whole span of the wall. And then we have that access to the deck and to the backyard as well. So great for having parties. You know, you just keep that open, you keep the music playing because we do have a lot of speaker capabilities in this house, and it's just a great place to entertain. But let's take a look at some of the bedrooms. Like I said, there's going to be 3 bedrooms and then 2 baths, everything just completely remodeled. The first bathroom is going to be just down here on the hall, and we have just nice tiling, almost like a wood feel for the shower as well. From the walls down to the floor, it just has a very nice look to it. If we keep going down next to the bathroom, we have our first bedroom through there, nice sized room, and then in this part of the house, we actually have a bonus room, and this is going to be a nice little yoga studio here. And again, you do get the sun coming in just from the roof as well. And something I want to show you guys here is these hidden hinges. So it looks really nice when you close and open the door because you have the hidden hinges, so it just adds to the aesthetic of the house. In here we have our second bedroom with the access to the patio in the backyard as well. Nice sized closet, nice room, lots of natural light. But now, guys, it is time for my favorite, the primary bedroom. If we come just in here, we have a nice spacious room. Again, you also get your access to the backyard through there. You get a nice projector with projector screen, but the ensuite is truly a showstopper. So I want to show you guys, look at this. You have beautiful tiling all throughout. You have a double vanity, nice backsplash there, and you even have a smart mirror. And if we take a look at the tub, of course, you get the Whirlpool tub, Ariel with the smart features through there, and we have our standing shower with that same wood design that we saw in the other bathroom that was renovated. If we take a look at the backyard, we actually have 3 different types of fruit trees. We're going to have persimmon, orange, and then lemon trees. This one's going to be the lemon right there. And then, you know, with 2020 and everything that went on with working from home, they actually decided to design a little work from home station, a little office, if you will, complete with internet, air conditioning, and it's just a nice space, you know, to take some Zoom meetings and just sit in here and just enjoy the tranquility when you're looking out at that beautiful lemon tree. We have one more surprise for you. This property is home to an ADU that was bringing in about $2,000 a month before they put it on the market. And it is a nice 430 square feet with its own washer and dryer in unit, of course, its own bathroom and kitchenette area. And that is going to wrap up our tour. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe.